again. As I concluded my last video, I mentioned that the shift of consciousness that we are currently experiencing is a process, not a sudden event. It is a process that is driven by the shift of individuals until a critical mass is reached, at which point in time the process becomes faster and easier. I also mentioned how I feel the shift began in earnest around 1963 and will wind down around the year of 2062. The accepted date of ending date of the Mayan calendar, 2012, or December 21st, 2012, is, as I see it, the midpoint in this adventure. And I also indicated that there was some numerological based support for this feeling, so let's get into that briefly if we may. That's pretty much what the year 1963 represents. We're a year of beginnings, and we're going to see a period of abuse of power. Now, let's look at the year 2062. Same formula, 2 plus 0 plus 6 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, well, 10, as we already saw before, that's not a single digit, so we have the 1 plus the 0 equals a 1. Again, a beginning. At the end of the shift, we're also looking at a beginning. However, the 10 also is a significant number, considered to be a karmic number. What does that signify? Rebirth. So, as I said, there is some support numerologically for these beginning and ending dates. What about the year 2012? Let's try a different color. Okay, 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 equals, whoops, very bad writing, equals 5. What does the 5 represent? Change, or changing, which could be seen as indicating that at the midway point, that could be indicating that's when we reach the critical mass that I talked about, and could be the time at which our evolutionary process, spiritual evolutionary process, really speeds up. So, for the 100 years that I had seen the shift in full force, we begin with a period of abusing power, doing so for personal gain possibly, with a midpoint of changing, and into an eventual rebirth of humanity. This is what the shift is. We will continue in the next video by looking more closely at recent 1901 vibrational years and see what history has to show us about them, because for something in a spiritual sense to be of use to us, it also has to have a physical world or physical application. So thanks again for watching, and once again, namaste.